Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is personality development. Let us discuss about personality. We all possess certain personality traits that set us apart from the rest. Here, personality traits means personality characteristics or personality attitude and etc. A mix of good and bad. These characters define how we respond to situations and the people. In our society, so many people are there. We cannot say that all people are good. We cannot say that all people are bad. Here, our society is mix of good and bad. These are attitudes, characteristics, and personality of different people. How we respond to the situations and the people. While the most common belief is that these attitudes remain fixed, so many people will think that we cannot change our character. But according to the studies, here a research study is there. It is studied by a psychologist at the University of Illinois. He suggested that we can change our character, attitude, mindset, and it is provided we want to change them. So, if you are willing to become most terrific version of you, here some personality development tips are there, which is for development of for you. Coming to first point of personality development is know your incomparable. Here, you will bring your self-esteem down by comparing yourself with others. That rivals your personality and does not let your strengths blossom. Know that you and other person are unique and they are just incomparable. Here we are having two different persons. Those are Brai and Nikki Bella. These two persons are unique persons. These people are having unique personality. We should not compare with others. If you compare means you are downing your personality, you are downing your attitude, you are downing your value. So everybody in this world is unique. There should not be any comparison between two persons. Be kind to yourself. We are taught to be kind to others. So many people will say that be very kindful. Yet many of us fail to be kind to ourselves. We don't show our kindness towards us. We will show our kindness towards others. Studies shows that self-compassion is very important. Here, studies shows that self-compassion is very important. What is the meaning of self-compassion? Humanity, self-kindness, and mindfulness. Humanity, we want to love and respect all the human beings, and we want to show the kindness towards all of the people, and we want to show self-kindness towards us, and our mindfulness should be very important. Here, study shows that self-compassion brings positive attitude like optimism, extroversion, wisdom, happiness, positivity, and resilience. Here, the person who is having the kind personality, kind attitude, he always will have a positive mind. And according to Emma Sipla, research psychologist at Stanford University, self-compassion involves in 3 steps. Recognize that you deserve care and consent. Like anyone else, why you must be kind and understanding with oneself. Here, some people are asking the question, why you should be very kindful and why should you be very understandable with oneself. Here, recognizing that making mistakes and failing is part of life. Here, the moral is everybody want to recognize their own mistakes. No one person in their life without any mistakes. Every person will do mistakes. We want to correct our mistakes. So do not be hard on yourself when you commit a mistake or a fail and indulge in self-critical thoughts. Here, sometimes we will then mistakes. So do not be very hard. Sometimes we will get failure in life, but do not be hard. Be aware of one's emotions and feelings. Contrary to popular belief and self-compassion does not mean letting yourself off the hook. Rather, it means taking corrective action, albeit without being too self-critical. Here, we should be very kindful in the nature. We want to respect, love all the human beings, and we want to take care of ourselves also. We should have very good commitment and we should have very good self-compassion. We should have very good happiness and positive mindset. Then only everything in our life will be taken place in a good way. Give space to imperfection. Here, people and situation always do not fit in your frame of perfection. In our society, so many people are there. Some are thinking that some people are perfect, some are imperfect. Here, nobody is perfect in the life. So we want to focus all the people. We want to understand the different people attitudes and different situations. And here, nobody is a perfect in their life. That is important. Often that makes one agitated and angry, eventually diminishing the strength of their personality. Here, some people will show their angriness on us, and some people shows their personality strength towards us, and some people show their fear towards us, and some people gets fear and trouble towards us. So find your peace and amidst the world flaws. Here, every human being want to search a peace in the world. Here, world is not a perfect. World is having so many imperfections. We want to accept that imperfections. Life is a combination of perfection, imperfection things. This is the one of the important motto slogan. Here, the acceptance of a little bit of imperfection and periphery allows you to be more patient. Here, some people are very imperfection in the nature. Here, we should want to increase our patience and we should want to do our work in a calm nature. At least then you can maintain your inner perfection. Yeah, a human being cannot be survival in this world in a perfect manner. Here, we want to increase our patience level. We want to work in a calm nature. Even though in this time we can maintain our inner perfection. These words are said by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. And fourth important point is be spontaneous. Spontaneity makes wants to be fun around. However, do not confuse being spontaneous with being impulsive. Here, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar says that while the former is the key to success, the latter can cause disasters. So, how do you be truly spontaneous? By being 100% aware in the present moment. Here, we cannot learn each and everything in the life. So, sometimes unknown situations will be happen in our life. So, we want to react in a spontaneous manner to the situation. Then only we will get success in our life. So every human being want to be a spontaneous person. This is said by Sri Ravi Shankar Gurudev. Be light in mind and heart. Don't overthink and overanalyze. Neither let any negativity like shame, anger, jealousyness, greed, selfishness stay your consciousness for too long. Here, we should be very light in mind. We should be very correct in heart. We did not focus on negativity always. We want to come out from shameness, anger, jealousy, greed, selfishness. We should be free of all this negativeness. We want to build up a positiveness in our mind instead of learn to take it easy. In our life, we want to be take it easy and we want to be forgive easily and drop grudges against people as soon as they pop up. Here, being light in mind and heart makes you truly happy. When your mind is very light, when your heart is very pure, then you will get very high quality of happiness. And who does not like happy people? When you are very happy, always will like, always everyone will like you. So be very happy. Don't carry unnecessary things in your mind. Keep your mind, your heart in a very fresh manner, in a pure manner. And coming to the sixth point, stay enthusiastic. How to motivate and enthusiastic. What is enthusiastic meaning means freshness, energy, interest, enjoy. These are the important things in enthusiastic. Be light in mind and heart. Don't overthink and overanalyze. Neither let any negativity like shame, anger, jealousy, or greed stay in your consciousness for too long. Here, our mind and our heart should be very pure in manner, and you want to forgiveness easily in life. And being light in mind, heart makes you truly happy from within. And who does not like happy people in this world? Here, coming to sixth important point is stay enthusiastic. Here, enthusiasm is a infectious, appealing. Here, enthusiasm is nothing but enjoyable and interestable. Every person in this world be very enjoyable and having very high interest. That is why everyone loves kids. Here, kids are always very interesting, are always very enjoyable mood. Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar says that despite adverse situations in life, when you are having high energy, high interest, you can easily overcome tough situations which are happening in your life. One must never give up their enthusiasm. Here is Gurudev's secret of staying enthusiastic. Be a better communicator. A couplet in Kannada says that words can create laughter and can also create enmity. A skillful communicator can win over people and adverse situation. Here, our communication should be very better manner. Then only we will get success in our family and in our business, in our professional life also. So every human being want to communicate in very good manner. When we are having very good communication skills, then easily we can manage the all people and all difficult situations in our life. So bring clarity in our communication. Learn how you can be an excellent communicator with these tips from Sri Ravi Shankar Gurudev. And coming to the eighth important point is be warm and approachable. We all like people with whom we can easily mingle and talk to. Here, in society, we like some people who is very friendly, who is easily mingle, who is very talkative in the nature. No one likes a person who responds with a straight face and straightforward in nature. So learn to be warm and give a good smile in your face. Be friendly to everyone. Be ready to share and help. Do things with style. Here, some people are doing things with style. Yes, jinx. What is the meaning of jing is energy. When we are doing the things within a style manner, it builds up the energy in our personality. The secret to doing things with styles lies in working with passion and a relaxed mind. So, while you work at something, don't let anything distract you from putting all your energy into it. At the same time, stay relaxed. Learn to let go after you are done with a task. Let go of your attachment with the result. Here, when you let go, you become free and calm and relaxed. Attributes of strong personality. Here, we want to perform our work in a style. It brings build-ups energy in our body and in our personality. And we want to learn each and everything newly, continuously throughout our death. That is called learn to let go. So every human being want to work in a stylish manner. Every human being want to ready to learn anything until the death. Be a lion in face of danger. Don't give into pressure and face every challenge confidently. Don't be stressed in tough situations. Be very courageous and be very confidently when challenges occur you. Face every challenge confidently in our life. Either you will overcome the problem or you will learn something invaluable which is having more value. And coming to the 12th point, stay calm with the power of breathe. Being calm strengthens one personality. However, staying calm can be difficult when you have terrible headache and have an urgent deadline to meet. In such situations, tap the power of breathe. Here, nowadays, every employee is feeling stress. Every employee is feeling nervousness. Every employee is suffering from emotions, and everybody having headache and personal problems and organization problems. To overcome all these problems, here human being want to take a deep breath. Here, these people want to do meditation, yogas. Then everybody will get the solution to their problem. In such situations, tap the power of breathe. As soon as you become aware of it, your stress will be diminished. When you take breathe in a deep and you release your breath within 10 to 15 minutes, then your mind be very freshness, your stress will be released. And coming to the last point, remember you are a proton. A proton can never lose its positivity, nor can you. Don't live a positivity attitude in our life. Stress may affect us on outside. However, your inner core continues to radiate positivity. Even though if we are having high stress in our personal life or professional life, we should be in a very positive manner. We should have a positive mindset. We should have very positive attitude. It stays unaffected, happy, and peaceful. Tune into this part of yourself again and again with the help of meditation. The process energizes and brings out positive traits like enthusiasm. Be a positive as proton. A proton on never loses its positivity. So you can say it makes you look attractive and confident, which enhance your personality. Moreover, positivity makes you strong to face the toughest challenges in our life. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.